create something new and exciting using a powerful AI tool that lets you create weeks worth of videos with just one Gmail account. Yes, you heard that right. First, take a look at this channel. It has uploaded only 5 videos and already has 17.2K subscribers. If we look at the views, one video has over 2 million views, another has 205K views, and another has 119K views. These are impressive results from a very small number of uploads. This channel is already monetized, and as you can see, it is earning around $2K per month. The channel is fully monetized and generating a steady income. There is also a second channel following the same strategy. This channel has 197K subscribers, and its videos are getting amazing views as well. One video has over 3 million views, another has 555K views, and several others have reached millions of views. The good news is that you can create the same type of trending videos completely for free. So, let's get started and learn step by step how to create these trending AI videos without spending any money. If you are new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. Now let's begin and see exactly how you can create these viral trending videos for free. First of all, open ChatGPT. After that, copy the green prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. As soon as you paste it, ChatGPT will ask you for the channel links and what type of videos you want to create. For example, if you want to make videos similar to a specific channel, simply copy the links of both channels and paste them into ChatGPT. Once you do that, ChatGPT will analyze the channels and understand the style of videos you want to create. This part is very simple, but the process that follows is extremely important. Next, open my prompts. Prompt Red 1, Prompt Red 2, and the green prompt. Paste all of them together into ChatGPT. After you submit them, ChatGPT will generate a 150-word story along with multiple image prompts such as Image Prompt 1, Image Prompt 2, Image Prompt 3, Image Prompt 4, Image Prompt 5, and Image Prompt 6. As you can see, all the image prompts are generated automatically. In the same way, you will receive all the image prompts and video prompts needed for your project. Now everything is ready for image generation. To create the images, open Leonardo AI. I'll also show you how to generate 15-20 images per day using a single email account. Once Leonardo.ai is open, click on Image Generation. The most important setting is the model selection. Keep it on Auto Model and set the image size to 9:16. Using Auto Model allows you to generate a large number of images efficiently. Now paste your image prompt into Leonardo AI. As soon as you do, the first image will be generated. The result is amazing. Then simply copy and paste the next prompt and continue doing the same for all the prompts. Your images will start generating one after another. As you can see, all the images are now ready and the quality is excellent. This is how you can easily create high-quality images for your videos. Now, let's move on to the next step. Creating the videos. First, what you need to do is simply search for Symphony Creative Studio on your browser. The first website that appears, open it. Then click on Get Started. Don't worry, it's not a difficult process. I will show you everything step by step. After that, the page will appear like this. You need to log in with TikTok. If you don't have a TikTok account, then click on Sign Up Now. When you click on it, select Sign Up with Google and enter your Gmail account. Then, connect your account. Once you are connected, you will see several options like Image to Video, Text to Video, and Reference to Video. First, we will use Image to Video, so click on it. Now, upload your first image. The result is amazing and very high quality. After that, copy the video prompt and paste it into the Image to Video section. Then select the duration of the video, such as 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 12 seconds. Next, click on Next, and your video will start generating. Within about 5 minutes, your video will be ready. As you can see, the result is high quality and impressive. Now, let's create another video. Upload another image and repeat the same process. Paste the prompt again. The video will start generating, and after a short time, it will be ready with a great result. Now I will show you how to create a third video using text to video. Go back to the website and select the text-to-video option. Then simply paste your prompt and it will start generating the video automatically. After a short time, your video will be ready. The result is also good, but I recommend using image to video because it gives better quality results. On this platform, you get around 1,000 credits at the start with one email account. You can create up to 100 videos because a 10-second video uses around 10 credits. If you change your email, you can create even more videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Next option is for adding background music. If you want to use background music, go to YouTube and open YouTube Studio. Inside YouTube Studio, you will find an option called Audio Library. Yes, this is where I personally get my background music from. Click on Audio Library and you will see a large collection of music tracks. You can search through them and choose any music that you like. Once you find a suitable track, simply download it and add it to your video as background music. There are many music options available, not just one. You can select any track according to your preference. This also helps you avoid any copyright strikes on YouTube. Just choose the music you like and use it as your background audio. In this way, your background music will be ready and your video will look more professional. Now, to generate AI voiceovers, we'll use unlimited AI tools text-to-speech, which is a great platform for creating high-quality AI voices. The process is very simple. First, select the voice that best matches your content style. There are different voice options available, making it suitable for storytelling, motivational videos, educational content, and more. Once you've selected your preferred voice, paste your script or story into the text box. After that, click on Generate. The AI will process your text and create a natural-sounding voiceover within seconds. When the generation is complete, your voice file will be ready to use. You can then download it and add it to your video during editing. This is an easy and effective way to create professional AI voiceovers without recording your own voice, making it perfect for faceless YouTube channels and AI-generated content. Now we have everything ready: AI video, background music, and audio. The next step is video editing, and for that we will use CapCut. Open CapCut and import all your video clips one by one into the timeline. Arrange them step by step in the correct order. After adding the clips, go to the animation section and start applying effects. Choose whatever effects you like and apply them to your video. I am also selecting effects that look good, and I will keep adding them one by one. Once all the effects are applied, your video will start looking much more professional and engaging. As you can see, the result is really amazing. You can also create the same type of video by following this process step by step. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can watch more videos like this in the future.